think this might work actually. I might put some cushions down here is what I'm thinking. So let's see how this configuration works.
Certainly not Mexico.
How's it going?
Pretty good, bro.
Thank you. Home for the night. What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode. Today we're doing some truck camping out in the Arizona desert. We're on some BLM between Wiki Up and Wickenburg. You guys may recognize this spot because I have definitely camped out here before. It's our little secret spot. Love coming out here. It's always super quiet and really clean, and there are some awesome views. We're gonna get a pretty great sunset tonight. A little bit cloudy. It's been a bit cold these days, so I'm actually looking for my jacket right now. But tonight we're just doing a quick little overnighter. I'm actually on my way back home from Phoenix, so we're just, doing a little truck camping on the way back home to Vegas. Let's go get camp all set up here. All right, got my bare bones set up here. Just got some lighting, chair, got the camp tote and the cooler. So not too much. For those of you who have asked, this is actually a front runner chair. The reason why we ended up going with this is because it folds down, super compact, and it makes it easy to set up and take down. So this whole thing fits like that. You don't have to worry about making this fit in a bag or anything. We got some side pockets on either side. There's a little drink holder right here. And the chair is super comfortable, so we really enjoyed it. These are not the cheapest chairs, but for how packable they are and how comfortable they are, it's definitely well worth it. But I did get it as a gift for Christmas. Both me and Carly got one. What we're having for dinner tonight: some chicken penne a la vodka with cauliflower pasta. I went to Sprouts and I just needed something quick and easy because I'm going to be cooking in the truck tonight. I didn't bring my full stove, so wanting to heat something up, something quick and easy. So this is the definition of lazy tonight. So since we were in Arizona, I decided to pick up some Arizona beer, and this is a Blood Orange IPA, 6.7%. It's by Throne Brewing Company, and this is in Glendale, Arizona. So let's give this a shot. It's been a while since I've had like a Blood Orange beer. I'm always down to try some new beers. Grab a koozie real quick. Honestly, the only reason why this beer caught my attention was because the graphics on this are so cool. It's such a cool can, so this is what caught my eye. But Throne Brewing Company, I've actually never heard of it. I don't know if anyone here is from Phoenix. I think I do have some of you guys are from, Phoenix, Arizona area. Surprise. Some of you guys have mentioned that, so Glendale. I don't know. You guys have any breweries you recommend out in Phoenix? I'm going to be coming back quite a bit over the next few months. So anything that's cool to see around the Phoenix area, definitely let me know. Cheers, guys. Oh yeah, just like licking an orange tree. But that's pretty good though. I like IPAs, some of them. Usually hazy IPAs over normal IPAs because it does taste like you're licking a tree. But this blood orange is pretty good. I like it. Oh man, this sunset is amazing. Sunsets in the desert. You can't get any better than this, but it is kind of cold, so let's get a jacket on. We also got a little bit of cloud coverage, so makes up for a really cool little sunset. Whenever it is cold outside, one of my biggest principles is always layer and put on more layers before your body starts feeling really cold. Right when the sun goes down, I already know that it's gonna get really, really cold. So let's go and put our sweater on here. Start layering up. Brr. It is so quiet around here that... Do you hear that? Silence. Other than some wind. Not even, it's barely windy right now, but... Oh man, what a nice day. I love the big cacti out here. They're so fun to camp amongst. I'd give this about a 7 or 8 out of 10. It's not bad. For 6.7%, it's worth the bang for your buck. And I just got done filming a video about what is inside of our truck camping tote. So if you guys are interested in that video, I will leave a link to it down below. And tonight, I'm actually not gonna set up the ready lights. I'm just gonna use the pods from the ready light today to light up the inside of the cab. So we don't need to set anything up. We just need to take them out. I'm just gonna store this in the cab. Well, I just got to get the back of the truck situated here so we can get into lounge mode. It's almost that time of the year where it's going to get really, really hot soon. We've probably got another month, maybe month and a half of winter camping left. So we've been having some crazy weather. Look at all of that snow on the mountains. We just love this area. Someone did a lot of cleanup around here because there used to be a lot of donkey scat around, but I don't really know where all that went. I'm surprised. That, or they've, I don't know, you know, just kind of disintegrated. But there was a ton just, I think, a couple months ago when we were out here last. So I'm just walking around camp a little bit just to do some exploring, and someone's definitely come out here and cleaned things up, because I kid you not, there's no trash anywhere. There's nothing. It's like super nice. Look at this. They set up the rocks up. Just very pristine over on here. We got a couple fire pits over there. Ah, this is such an awesome little camp spot. Sometimes I like to just kind of play around with the space. I know this feels like HGTV, but sometimes I like to just try different configurations out and rearrange some of the stuff down here just to see what, I don't know, I like more. I want to keep it in bunk mode, but hang out down here. I'm going to cook some dinner and then be able to jump up into bed really easily without having to like set up the entire bed. I think this might work actually. I might put some cushions down here is what I'm thinking. And then move this maybe over here and I can sit. No, I want to stand over here. So I would sit or stand and then cook right here. And then this is by, you know, the door, so I can open these up if I need a little air, but not have anything directly over the bed over here. All right, I think I'm gonna do that. All right, so let's get some cushions down here instead. Down. Something like that. Okay, let me show you guys what I got. I got it in bunk mode still. So I can stand up here. Wow. Well, I think I got things situated in here. Got the totes in here. I'm gonna be hanging out in bunk mode and we're gonna go cook inside of here. So let's see how this configuration works. Settled in here. So a brand new configuration that we're trying out. Going to hang my curtains because even though there's no one around, I don't know. You know, you can't see outside. Who knows what's looking back at you. All right, let me put these up real quick. Something I want to upgrade on these is making them completely light proof, because right now I'm almost positive when it's lit up here, you can definitely see right through those curtains. So I think I'm going to create some type of blackout curtain. is done. Oh, I kind of like that. You know, you can try different things with the GFC, especially when you're just one person in here and there's no one else in here with you. I love playing around with the space. Oh my gosh, I'm going to start my own HGTV truck camping series. My different room configurations. And up here we got just my camera bag. We got our pillow, got sleeping bag. Got the food tote up here. Got some water and extra blanket. So definitely a lot more room to hang out. And I guess if I did have Rio, she could sleep right here, and I'll just hang out over here on the side. So I've been leaving the bigger Formafloor up there. Yeah, so not too bad. So I can just climb right into bed, which is one thing I really wish. I have kind of a love-hate relationship with the Formafloors. But this is one of the reasons why I do enjoy them and really like them a lot. But I didn't enjoy them because I had to move them around when I stack all of them. Usually I stack all of them right here so I can open up the full bed. But when I do that, I have to kind of like undo a lot of that and then move it back into where it was. So at least this way I can just jump right into bed. And that's like my whole thing is I want things to be easy. So when I get tired of hanging out down here, I can easily jump into bed without having to redo a bunch of stuff, you know. I really like this bunk bed setup. To those that have Trader Joe's, the dried mangoes from Trader Joe's, so good. Left my beer on the second floor. So one thing I wanted to start doing during the videos was shout some people out who keep leaving comments, and I really appreciate it. Mark and Teresa from Out of Office Camping, Jay Bizzle, Faux Shizzle, Sue's Tube, Ed, Ashton, David, Linda, Dane, Tommy, 808 fam. If I didn't mention your name, I just want to say I appreciate every single one of you guys who are viewing in, and especially those leaving comments. I appreciate the community. I'm glad that you guys are enjoying the videos as well. So if you guys have any suggestion videos that I should do, please leave a comment down below. But again, thank you to each and every one of you. Cheers to you guys. I am getting a little bit hungry. It's getting later. It's almost 8. Bless me. Excuse me. I did have a Burger King burger this morning because I was, leaving town. I just needed something quick and I was feeling like a burger, and it'd been forever since I've had Burger King. And Burger King was it was decent. I got a Whopper, just a basic Whopper. The fries were fresh. It was great. I'm not too hungry, but I'm going to get everything set up. So tonight we are going to be making that tikka masala. So let me just scoot you guys back a little bit because I'm going to be grabbing stuff from either area. No, it's not the tikka masala. I'm making pasta tonight, guys. I was looking for some Indian food, but I didn't really see anything that interested me. So I ended up getting this chicken penne, Kevin's. It's like a paleo easy meal, one pot meal. And we're just going to be making it on a pan in here. This is probably the the bougiest camp pasta ever. But I love meals like this. I've never had this brand, so we're going to give them a shot. Something simple, something easy. Let's grab this. And we're actually going to be cooking with the fake jet boil over here. I don't need everything out of here. This is what we're using. That. All I need out of here is this guy. I am missing the pot holder. Missing this part. is all I need. The pasta sauce. Got the pasta. This is cauliflower pasta. And the chicken here. Break up the chicken in the packet. So we're going to drain the juices. Drain some chicken juices. Put a tablespoon of oil with this. Then we can go ahead and add our chicken. After the chicken is done cooking, we're just going to brown it on either side, and then we're going to put the pasta sauce and let it come to a simmer, and then we'll put the noodles and everything all together. I definitely am not enjoying the way I have to cook in this position. I think I should have moved that tote behind me so I can sit on it, you know. But it's okay. We're learning. We're learning. This smells so good. I'm actually kind of surprised. But I also don't remember how much I paid for this, so it could have been very expensive, so... Alright, we're just going to give this another 2 minutes and then the pasta is going to be done. It's a pretty cool meal. So, I mean, you cook the chicken a little bit, brown it, add the sauce, add the pasta, which is already cooked. So it's just a easy one-pot meal. Relatively healthy since it's a cauliflower noodle. But this thing's got 11 grams of fat, 25 carbs, 4 grams of sugar. Anyway, just see if this is cooked, well warmed up. Just a little bit more time. Let's see if this is warm enough. Perfect. Yes. Oh, this definitely wasn't the most comfortable position to cook. Oh, get off my knees. But dinner sure does smell good. Oh yeah. That is so good. Like, the flavor is good. Pasta's perfectly cooked. Chicken's good. It's definitely like some kind of squash in here with the meat. It's really good. Let's put on a movie, shall we? Alright, so we're going to watch Savages. Taylor Kitsch, Aaron Taylor Johnson, and Blake Lively.
Let's go back to where it started. Here in paradise. Call me O. I was named after Ophelia. The first century is? It's not Thailand, Jamaica, and 4 weeks with my best friend, Lucy, to get some culture.
Look, Jake, think of it as economy of scale, all right? The Mexicans will do business with European corporation. They'll sign your profits and your timetables. Travis, phone numbers are vanishing as we speak, okay?
North, there's too much heat on them. You said no. Let's talk about it. How's that working out for you, man? How's it working out?
Alright guys, so this is how I have the bed laid out right now. I got the heated blanket heating up the sleeping bag. So I should have probably rolled this out a little bit earlier because it is a little bit cold right now, but got an extra blanket on me. Got the formal floors down here. And just a bunch of junk. But I can use this as a step up into bed. And I was just hanging out here. I'm just standing up now. I think I might need some hand warmers. It's getting a little cold. Battery down here, so I'm letting the electric blanket charge from the Gold Zero that's down here. I also forgot my beanie, which usually is in the truck tote, just in case you get stranded somewhere and it's really cold. Or usually there's a beanie in the truck, which there might be, but I didn't look. All I know is that my beanie wasn't in its normal spot, so that's why I know it wasn't in here. Everything has its place, so you kind of know when things are missing. I swear, like, the hole always makes me nervous, but I'm trying to embrace it. Good night, y'all. Good morning. And I slept solid last night. Such a nice night. So peaceful this morning.